A medieval hilltop town surrounded by rural lands and vineyards. Montepulciano, once the domain of the Medici. It's a beautiful place to visit. On your way into town, not far off the road, is Tenuta Valdipiata, and we're going to explore some wines from there today. So let's go. Andiamo. Hi, this is Greg the Wine Traveler at Tenuta Valdipiata. Miriam Caporali produces wines with finesse and smoothness. We find that women winemakers produce wines that are very unique and special, and often they're our favorite. When we first tried Tenuta Valdipiata's wines, we knew they were good from the first sip. But before I go on to talk about these wines, let me talk about their white wine. It's really good and really surprising. It's a white wine made from both white grapes and red grapes. It has a complexity and a depth to it that really stands out for a white wine, especially a white wine produced in Tuscany. It's really good. Today, we're going to talk about my two favorites, the Rosso de Montepulciano and the Vino Nobile de Montepulciano. And I do believe that the Vino Nobile de Montepulciano is the oldest demarcazione, the oldest designation in Italy. Let's first try the Rosso de Montepulciano 2017. Serving temperature recommendations is 16 to 18 degrees. I can tell you that this wine, very smooth, very easily drinkable. The acidity is not very strong, but it's not flabby, so it's a very well-rounded, very easy to drink wine. I like this wine a lot. Let's try the Vino Nobile de Montepulciano 2015. This wine goes through a different aging process, a little bit longer as well. The Sangiovese, the depthness comes out of there, the tannins come through, and it's a smoother, it's a much bigger wine. I like this wine as well. Let me say a few words about food pairings. These wines will go with anything, just about. I think that this wine, the Rosso de Montepulciano, what I'm going to serve this wine with is spaghetti carbonara at Miriam's suggestion. See the recipe below. Also, following, I'm going to show you a really quick video about carbonara. So hang on for that. It took me several times to make carbonara properly. So give it a few tries and then tell me how it goes for you. Folks, if you're traveling between Rome and Florence or Rome and Siena, it's just a short drive off of the Autostrada to go to Montepulciano. So you should get up early and make sure to make a stop, and especially make a stop at Tenuta Valdipiata. So please pour yourself a glass of Rosso de Montepulciano or Vino Nobile de Montepulciano and plan your trip to Montepulciano.